Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Christine, and this video will be on a look on this. I'm a beginner. Yeah, I'm a beginner, and I would like to make a video that other beginners will love to watch. Well, if you want to see how I got this look, continue watching and enjoy. So, we're back. First, you want to moisturize your lips. What I'm using is a Bath & Body Works lip gloss. It's called Vanilla Mint Supreme. Yeah, this lip gloss is really bomb.
I put random lip gloss from the supply store and think I'm okay. And then later on, like a good 20 minutes, it's like my lips are sucked up dry. But this is like medicine. If you have some really dry lips, I recommend you to use this lip gloss. Like, it will not dry your lips off. Like, you won't see any chappiness. It's pretty good. But everybody's lips are different. But I recommend you to get this.
Okay, ladies, so I'm gonna be off and on the voiceover. So first you want to do is just take your concealer, which I'm taking is the LA Pro concealer. And then after, you want to get your concealer brush and spread it. After, you want to put some setting powder to set your eyelids so they won't crease. Is the Jacklyn Hill palette. This palette is life. Like, look how great it is, and it's affordable. Look, you have the gold. Oh my gosh, like, this palette is life. Okay, so I'm taking the color Creamsicle and applying it to my upper lid. I am using the Real Technique brush, and it's the base shadow brush. I forgot. Sometimes I use tape to put on the corner of my eyes if I want my shadow, like the edges of my shadow to look really sharp. But let's see. Let's do a sharp side. Okay, so you want to use that same brush that I used for Creamsicle, and right now I'm using Roxanne and trying to do light sweeping motions, but the pigment is out of there. And right now I'm using my other brush for my brush sets from BH Cosmetics, and I'm using the color Hunts. I will list all the items below in the description box. So you want to go back with that shader brush, shadow shader, and blend all of it out. Next, we want to go with a brown shade, which is the color Chip. We want to put that in our inner crease with the same brush that we have put for Hunts. You put it in your inner crease right here. So with the shadow shader brush with no product, you should start blending your crease. And with the brush that we used earlier, the base shadow brush, apply a little bit of Hunts and tap off the excess and apply above the crease so it can look seamless. So right now I'm using the NYX base shadow to apply to my crease because we're going to do a cut crease today. So I'm using a flat brush to carve out my crease. When doing this, you have to take your time because if you don't, it will look wrong. And right now, I'm just adding some setting powder so the crease won't crease and my shadow won't move around. If not applied, your crease will look a disaster. Okay, so right now you want to take the color Meeks and pack it onto your brush and onto your eyelid. The reason why I'm packing it on so the color can be vibrant and be seen. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is applying some of my NYX Finish spray onto my brush. I'm doing that so my color can appear a little bit brighter and metallic. Right now I'm doing the same thing to the other eye and packing that on. And now I'm taking the color Queen and I'm going to apply it to my eyelid because I want it to have a little bit of a more goldyish color. Okay, I also use my finger to apply crease colors to my eyelid because sometimes I think it's not bright enough and I want it to show. Like, who doesn't want their makeup to pop and show? So I'm going back into the palette with the same brush that I put into my crease, and the color was Chip, and we're gonna blend out the crease so there won't be any harsh lines. Next, we're gonna come with a Real Technique brush, which is the Deluxe Crease Brush. And we're gonna tap onto the brown and the black, and we're gonna put it in our outer eye and put it right exactly here. Okay, so you want to keep on packing it to the outer crease of your eye and blend. Blend it really good or it will look really harsh. And with a cut crease, you have to blend or it's just gonna look really off. Right now I'm removing the tapes.
So this is the finished look for the eyes. Now we can move on to our eyeliner. I'm using the WetNWild Maybelline. Guys, I know I'm using it, but don't buy this because this eyeliner smudges like crazy. Crazy. Like, this is the first eyeliner I ever had and bought that would like come all right here. Probably you can see it because I had it on earlier. And it looked like I got hit in my eye, turned into a black eye. But anyways, we're gonna use this.
So I'm going to use the Smashbox Photo Finish to prime my face and a corrector to put all my dark spots, which is around my mouth, my mustache area, under my eyes, and around my nose. So right now I'm using a foundation brush to apply my primer. I don't use a foundation brush to apply my primer at all. So applying a primer is good for your makeup so it can sit in place, have your face moisturized, and a smooth application. Now while applying the foundation, you want to dab, 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 dab. What a dab ranch, you know. Okay, so right now I am using a concealer, which is the LA Girl Pro Concealer, to highlight my face a little bit and give it a little bit definition. I'm using the color Beautiful Bronze in Toffee. I apply under my eyes, my chin, my nose, and my forehead. Okay, so you want to make your beauty blender damp. You can use either water or you can use a finishing spray. Well, I'm using a finishing spray and I'm dabbing, blending, whatever you want to say. Well, I'm going to say dabbing. You want to keep dabbing, 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 dabbing with a dab wrench all under your eyes, your chin, your nose, your forehead, all of that. Make sure everything is all blended out and seamless. Okay, so I'm taking one of my brushes that I borrowed from my mom, which I don't know what it is, where it's from, and I am blending all of those harsh lines that were made by blending the concealer. Because there's harsh lines, it's going to be noticeable that you have some harsh lines and all type of stuff. Right now I am taking my Sasha Buttercup setting powder to set my face on where I highlighted and applied the concealer. I'm applying all of that so the concealer won't move around and crease up on me. And right now I'm wiping away all the excess powder, because you don't want to leave powder on your face and walk around like a dummy. Unless you want to go do that, you can go do that. So after I'm done with that, I'm going to contour with my Black Radiance palette, the medium to dark. I bought it at Walmart. I think there's some at other beauty supply stores, I'm not sure. But where I've seen it the most is Walmart. So I'm contouring my cheeks, or my chin, my nose, to put some chisels in my face, so my face won't look too flat. I'm gonna bridge my nose. Okay, so right now I am applying some mascara to basically prime my eyes for my false lashes. And I've put my false lashes off camera because I'm not exactly a pro yet. Now you just want to set your face so it won't crease up. And yeah, so you can look fresh. As you can see that I love setting spray. Just love the finish of it. I just love it. Who doesn't love setting spray? Okay, so right now I'm applying some liquid lipstick from ColourPop. This is the color Lax. And here is that glow. You know I'm going to apply a bunch. And that highlight is from WetNWild. And it's beautiful. It's really a settled, nice highlight. But you know, I had to go ham on that highlight. Like, look at that glow, hunty. Look at it. Yes. But I didn't add any blush. I wasn't feeling any blush for that moment. So yeah. But honey, do you see that glow? Yes, and I'm still applying. Yes, baby, look at that. So after all that, I will be applying some setting spray again and press the product into my skin. Okay, ladies, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I have another video from like 2-3 years ago, but I promise you guys I will continue to post videos. I will list all items below, and thank you for watching. Bye.